Natural skincare. Your skin will thank you. Want beautiful glowing skin? Natural skincare is the answer. Forget harsh chemicals. Nature has everything your skin needs. Natural ingredients are kind to your skin. They gently cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. Plus, natural skincare is good for the planet. Less chemicals mean a happier Earth. It's a win-win. Ready to get started? Let's dive into some easy DIY recipes. Honey and lemon. A sweet and zesty glow up. This mask is like sunshine in a jar. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture to your skin. Lemon is a natural exfoliant. It brightens and evens skin tone. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon raw honey, half a teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: mix honey and lemon juice. Apply to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Avocado and oatmeal, like a smoothie for your face. Avocado is full of healthy fats. It nourishes and hydrates your skin. Oatmeal gently exfoliates and soothes irritation. Ingredients: 1/4 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon rolled oats, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: mash avocado until smooth. Add oats and honey. Mix well. Apply to clean, dry skin. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Enjoy baby soft and happy skin. Section 4. Coconut oil and sugar. Scrubs away dullness. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. Sugar gently buffs away dead skin cells. Ingredients: 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Instructions: mix coconut oil and sugar. Gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Get ready for glowing, radiant skin. Section 5. Cucumber and aloe vera gel, cooling and soothing for happy skin. Cucumber cools and refreshes tired skin. Aloe vera soothes irritation and redness. This gel is perfect after a long day in the sun. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Instructions: blend cucumber until smooth. Strain the cucumber juice. Mix cucumber juice with aloe vera gel. Apply to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Your skin will feel refreshed and revitalized. Section 6. Green tea and rose water toner. A refreshing treat for your face. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. It protects your skin from damage. Rose water balances your skin's pH. It also smells amazing. Ingredients: 1/2 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 1/4 cup rose water. Instructions: combine green tea and rose water in a spray bottle. Mist onto clean, dry skin after cleansing. Allow to air dry. This toner will leave your skin feeling refreshed and balanced.